Do you also wake up again and again at night? Sometimes you have to get up to use the bathroom, sometimes sleep just breaks, and then it becomes difficult to fall asleep again. Many seniors say that the whole day goes fine, but as night comes, peaceful sleep disappears. But imagine, if a simple vegetable, tomato, could help you solve this problem? Yes. Today I'll share how seniors can use tomatoes in a special way to sleep peacefully through the night, without waking up again and again. Tomatoes are not just part of curries or salads, they're also a natural medicine. They're packed with lycopene, vitamin C, and potassium, powerful nutrients that support the heart, brain, and most importantly, your sleep. But the real secret lies in when and how you use tomatoes. Why seniors? Wake up at night first. Let's understand why seniors wake up multiple times at night. Weak bladder with age, leading to frequent trips to the bathroom. Reduced melatonin, the sleep hormone. Irregular blood pressure or heartbeat. All these reasons disturb sleep. This is where tomatoes can help, because they support bladder health, regulate blood pressure, and even help boost melatonin naturally. The tomato bedtime recipe. Now here's the real recipe. After dinner, about 1 hour before bedtime, try this simple remedy. Take 1 medium-ripe tomato. Blend it with a pinch of turmeric and half a cup of warm milk. For taste, you can add a little honey. This drink relaxes the bladder, reduces acidity in the stomach, and calms the body. The combination of turmeric and tomato lowers inflammation, which helps bring deeper and more restful sleep. This remedy has more benefits too. Reduces the need to go to the bathroom multiple times at night. Calms the heartbeat, helping you sleep longer. Improves memory because lycopene protects brain cells. Makes your body feel light and fresh in the morning. Did you also think tomatoes were just a salad vegetable? Now you know they can be your best friend for sleep too. Try this recipe, enjoy deep rest, and bring peace back into your nights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedies.